Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Astro AI mini refrigerator, which is thermoelectric based, and it doesn't have any compressor. It doesn't use any refrigerant. Because of that, it's very quiet, compact, and eco-friendly. It works on Peltier effect and uses semiconductor chip. Depending upon the polarity of the applied voltage to the chip, it can be used for cooling and warming purpose. This is the rare side of this Astro AI mini fridge of 4-liter capacity. It is having a fan that is used for cooling the heatsink that is attached to the semiconductor chip. These are vent holes, and this is the power section. And this power section has a switch. Whenever it is at center, the fridge is off. Whenever it is slided to left, it goes to warm mode, and it is indicated by this red LED. Whenever it is slided to right, it goes to cool mode, and it is indicated by this green LED. And this refrigerator can be powered by using both DC voltage and AC voltage. AC can be taken from standard wall outlet, and DC can be taken from car or truck lighter socket. And because of that, it is widely used during travel. The user has to remember two points whenever this refrigerator is used during travel. The first point is before connecting it to the socket, you need to turn the engine and then connect. This prevents the current surge. And the second most important point is whenever the car or truck engine is off, you need to disconnect it from the socket. Otherwise, this refrigerator will completely drains your car or truck battery. This is how a thermoelectric cooler or heater works. This Astro AI mini refrigerator consists of the semiconductor chip, which consists of a series of N-type and P-type pellets, and these are electrically connected in series and thermally parallel. Whenever the polarity of the voltage is shown here, so this side heat will be absorbed, this side heat will be rejected. This side will be the cold side and this side will be the hot side. Whenever the polarity of the voltage is reversed, that is a DC voltage, the cold and hot sides also get reversed. And this is how a Astro AI mini refrigerator is used for both cooling and warming purpose. And this 4-liter capacity refrigerator is very compact. These are the dimensions: width of 175 mm, height of 255 mm, and depth of 240 mm. It's very compact. It can be placed anywhere in your house, or it can be used in your car or truck during travel. And these are the specifications. Capacity is 4-liter, and these are the power consumptions for different operating voltages. Suppose if you take for 12 volts DC, in cool mode it is 40 watts energy consumption, and in warm mode it is 32 watt. And similarly for other operating voltages, these are the power consumptions. And the temperature inside this refrigerator can go up to 32 degree Fahrenheit or 0 degree Celsius in the cool mode. And this temperature in cool mode is highly dependent on the ambient temperature where the refrigerator is placed. If the ambient temperature is higher, then the refrigerator on cool mode cannot attain this temperature. It will be higher than this. And on the warm mode, it can go up to 66 degree Fahrenheit or 66 degree Celsius or 150 degree Fahrenheit. And this mini refrigerator is widely used for storing the breast milk, skincare products, foods, medications, etc. And the noise that is generated by this refrigerator is only 25 decibels. It is very quiet. And this data I have taken from the website. In the cool mode, it can go up to 32 degree Fahrenheit. In the bracket, it is written as 18 degrees Celsius, which means whenever the ambient temperature is at this temperature, then only the refrigerator in the cool mode can attain this 32 degree Fahrenheit. Otherwise, so this temperature will be higher than this. And in the warm mode, it can go up to 66 degree Celsius or 150 degree Fahrenheit. And these are the times the refrigerator will take for reaching the different temperatures. So it will take 1 hour to reach 64 degree Fahrenheit, 2 hours to reach 50 degree Fahrenheit, and 37 degree Fahrenheit it will take 3 hours. So this is the 4-liter capacity refrigerator with the different parts. These are 8 and 9 are the power cords for DC and AC voltage. Here I am going to discuss about the problems of this mini refrigerator and how to troubleshoot that problem. If it doesn't work, you need to check the indicators, that is red and green LEDs mounted on the right side of this mini refrigerator. If they are not glowing, you need to select the slider switch in cool or warm mode. Even after that, if it is not working, you need to check the voltages, correct voltage or connected to the refrigerator or not. If you are using 12 volts DC, that voltage need to be verified by using a digital multimeter. And similarly, if you are using a standard wall outlet, AC voltage needs to be verified. If the voltages are perfect, then you need to check the power cord and their contacts. If this refrigerator is not cooling, you need to ensure the switch is in cool mode or not. If it is in cool mode, then you need to check the fan, if it is rotating or not. This fan is located on the right side of this refrigerator. If the fan is not rotating, there might be some issue with the fan, or the connector that is going to the fan might be disconnected. You need to rectify that problem. And the other reason is the ambient temperature. The lower temperature that is attained by this refrigerator in cool mode is highly dependent on the ambient temperature. If the ambient temperature is high, the refrigerator cannot attain the lowest temperature of 32 degree Fahrenheit. Condensate water. So do not keep the door open or close frequently. Do not directly cool the hot objects. So this need to be done to prevent the condensation of the water. Poor cooling. So as per the manufacturer, 2-inch space need to be left between the wall and the refrigerator, so for proper ventilation, that is proper dissipating the heat that is generated by the semiconductor chip inside this mini refrigerator. Thank you for watching my video.